So welcome back, and now we're going to grill some fruit and take some of the other vegetables that we have, and I've taken some off. Our onions are done, our eggplant's done. As you can see, our peppers, and I showed you how to peel that. And again, that you can actually char it and be absolutely fantastic with it. So while we're waiting, we're going to grab some of our broccoli out and our cauliflower. Those right like so. Look at that, beautiful golden brown. The ends again getting brown, which is again going to give that really nice sweet flavor. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some plums and some peaches, and I'm going to grill them. And the great thing with the Crown Verde is that you have a cooler spot at the front of the barbecue versus the back of the barbecue. So I'm going to put my fruit there so I don't overcook it. And as we were talking with Bill earlier, you know how much a desire he is to a perfectionist of making this barbecue the best you ever have. So we're going to put that down there. We have our grill on. We're going to put our watermelon on. And now I'm going to move a couple things around. Our watermelon's on. And then I have some grilled, sorry, I don't have it grilled yet, but I have some Halloumi cheese, which is an Indian cheese. It's very dense. You can grill it. It will not melt on your grill. Show you that in just a second. Grab our beets. Again, you just want to be really careful when you're doing this because it's going to be very hot. And there you go, you have some amazing beets. We're just going to cut that in half and just see how nice and tender they are. Look at that. That guy in. Cut them down the half. Remember, you don't have to peel the skin off. And they're just going to be beautiful. Move this out of our way. And then we're going to take a little bit of quinoa. We're going to put it on the side of our serving plate here. Some of the eggplant, just like so. We're going to hit it with just a little bit of fresh lime juice. Lime juice, lemons are like sunshine, brighten every dish that you have. Turn our cheese over. Turn our watermelon over. Our plums are almost. While we're doing that, we're going to make a little bit of a salsa. Grab our cucumber that I've just nicely diced. A little bit of lime juice. I have some fresh mango. Let's stir this together. Grab a clove of our roasted garlic. Peel the skin back just like so. Just opening our barbecue so that I can actually keep an eye on it. Again, just a nice fine dice. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. We're going to give it a little bit of heat with our pepper, our jalapeno, just a touch. I'm really hoping Bill likes some heat. And then what we're going to do, grab a bowl from down here. Grab our cheese. As you can just see, our beautifully grilled cheese. Put our cucumber and mango salsa on top. If you want, you can add some fresh basil to this. You could add some fresh cilantro if you have that growing in your garden. Just kind of chop it over top and it'll be absolutely perfect for you. And then we're just going to finish up our fruit. We're going to grab one piece, as you can just see, our beautiful watermelon. this out of the way. We're going to dice this up. Just like so. And you notice that I kept some of the white on the watermelon. You can eat it. It's really great for you. Put the watermelon over our quinoa. We're going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. That's done. We're going to finish up one more dish. Move this to the side. And the great thing with this warm, you don't have to worry about anything cooling down anytime soon. I have my plums and peaches doing their thing. We have our tomatoes, which I've already done, which I've cooled down the pan a long time ago. We're going to take our roasted tomatoes. Just look how great they look. Now couscous, again, a nice Mediterranean grain, really simple and easy to make. It takes 5 minutes. You bring it up to a boil. Really great. If you don't have that, you want to use some rice and you want to use some more of the quinoa, you can do that. We're going to take some of our eggplant, put that just like so. A little bit of our onion, our roasted peppers, breaking them apart. Then I have some couscous, and I just put in some vegetable stock and just a touch of cinnamon to give it some great flavor. And then what you do is you just kind of stir it together. It puffs up. Absolutely fantastic. Now, if your family's not that adventuresome and you want to, bring it even more, you just grill some chicken breasts off, and it'll be absolutely perfect for you. There we have that. We're going to hit it again with just a little bit of fresh lime juice. And if you have some fresh basil in your garden, you can chop some fresh basil over top of this. It's absolutely fantastic. And just to finish up, because we got to do some dessert, because everybody knows how much a big sweet tooth I have. So we're going to take some plums and some peaches. And we're going to grab some mascarpone cheese, which is that Italian cream cheese that just invites everybody to eat. Take a little bit of that out. Put it onto our plate, like so. Grab some fresh blueberries. And the great thing when you roast off peaches and plums that aren't too ripe, they bring the natural sugars out. You put that on the mascarpone cheese, it melts, and it tastes amazing. So we're going to the table here, and first of all, thank you for having me. This has been absolutely fantastic.
Thank you
have
for
a
coming.
Beautiful place here. So you have our roasted beets, the roasted cauliflower, the roasted broccolini, and then we have our grilled watermelon with some quinoa, and again, this fly that's not going away.
No,
and then we have our grilled cheese with our cucumber mango salsa, and of course couscous with a whole bunch of vegetables. Dig in, enjoy it, and then finish up with some amazing mascarpone cheese, and then roasted plums and peaches. And you guys, again, thank you very much.
Cheers to ChefD.
Thank you.
Yo, check this out.